Welcome to day 8 of your 14-day meditation guide for beginners. Today is focusing on healing your inner child. My name is Sofie, and I am so honored to guide you through this meditation. Whenever you're ready, take a seat or lie down and be in a position that you can sit in for a while. Start to release tension in your body, lowering your shoulders, unclenching your jaw, relaxing your tongue, and closing your eyes. Taking some deep breaths in and out. Breathing in through the nose and out through the mouth. It's very normal to have thoughts arise, especially when you start meditating. Don't be hard on yourself if these happen. Allow it, observe it, and then release it. Envision a nice light coming in towards you, and on your exhale, release all that no longer serves you, whether it's thoughts, emotions, to-do lists. Release it now. Our inner child is something that is within us at all points in time. It's the way that we communicate to the world. We act based on our triggers. We act in a way to protect this inner child, a version of yourself that once existed, that was cared for or not cared for, and that learned to do things because or in spite of situations. The inner child, we, as we get older, have to learn to heal this inner child. By healing the inner child, you won't get as triggered by certain events, people, or things. You'll learn to accept it, just like you're accepting your thoughts. You don't have to agree with the things that are coming up. You must simply accept it and focus on the breath. You are so worthy. You are so loved. A lot of times our inner child is wounded because an adult couldn't love us the way that we wanted to, in the way that we needed. Right now, you are able to give that love that you once needed back to yourself. Able to embrace and be kind to a version of you. Everyone has made mistakes, but forgive yourself for them. You've carried this weight so long, it's time to release it. Tell yourself, I forgive you. I forgive you. forgive you. This repetition will help ingrain it into your subconscious. You were doing the best you could. You've always been doing the best you could. That is wonderful. You are wonderful. Other people's judgments is just a reflection of them. It's their own inner child being brought to light, reflecting the triggers, all the fears that they're bringing up. People act based on their inner child without realizing it. By healing your own, you're going to realize how much more in flow you'll feel. Feeling a deeper sense of authenticity, of your personal power. Connecting back to yourself. You are so worthy. You are so loved. You are uniquely beautiful. Your radiance shines from the inside out. Your ideas are valuable. Your thoughts are so creative. You are a star in your own way. Deep breath in and deep breath out. Accepting this compassion towards yourself. Accepting this love from yourself with open arms. Removing the gunk that lies within your heart space to now bring in love, bring in light. If you feel called to, place one hand on your belly and one hand on your heart. Repeating, I love you. I forgive you. I'm sorry I wasn't there for you. Healing the inner child can be done in multiple ways. This is one of the ways, and you're doing a great job of it. Your inner child will also love doing things that you loved to do as a child, whether it be painting, singing, dancing, whatever sticks out to you that you stopped doing as you got older, or that you just haven't done in a while. Come back to your roots. Come back to yourself. Step into your authenticity and be all that you can be. You are so worthy. The world needs more people like you. And taking your final breath in and out, slowly opening up your eyes and giving yourself a big squeeze, a big hug, thanking yourself for this moment, for doing this. And I thank you for being here today. I'll see you again tomorrow. Namaste.